Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back for another portion of veg. In this video I'm going to show you how to make homemade arancinis. For the filling we'll be using two different types of pesto that we actually filmed last time, and in case you would like to check out that video, just go down in the description below. Guys, if you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button, and now let's get started. To begin with, set your stove on maximum heat and let the pan heat up a bit. Then add a bit of cooking oil and finely chopped onions. Sauté your onions for a few minutes until it gets a nice and golden color. Now add 1.5 cup of uncooked risotto rice and let it heat up for 2 minutes. Now it's time to add some vegan white wine and let it evaporate. Set the stove on medium heat and slowly start adding vegetable stock. It's the best to leave the stock simmering all the time so it's hot when you're adding it to the rice. When the rice is almost cooked, add finely chopped mushrooms. They usually need about 2 minutes to cook. It's time to turn off the stove and add fresh chopped leeks and the rest of the ingredients. Spread the risotto in a large shallow dish so it cools down faster. First we're gonna make a cornstarch mix by adding 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. Add half the water first and mix it. And then add the rest, 1 cup in total. Prepare a bowl with cold water to wet your hands so the rice wouldn't stick. Take a bit of risotto in your hand and spread it flat on your palm. Then add a small spoon of filling. For this video I'm using homemade sun-dried tomato pesto and basil pesto with vegan cheese. Now add more rice to the top and form a bowl. Place the arancini in cornstarch first, then go to the breadcrumbs, come back to the cornstarch, and go back to the breadcrumbs. This way you will have a nice and crispy crust. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to support us and also to be notified for new upcoming content. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below. Well, see you next time. May the plants be with you. Cheers!